begin, download the album pages from the Stamp Smarter website. Click on the download button and your browser will save the PDF files to the folder on your device. While we wait for the download to complete, there are a few things to note. These PDF album pages are interactive and allow you to make changes to them in most any free PDF reader. But as an interactive PDF, they may not work with every PDF reader. They have been tested and work with the free Adobe Acrobat Reader. I also recommend avoid opening the interactive PDFs in your browser and instead open the files directly on your desktop PDF reader application. Note that you can print and use these album pages as is without any modifications. Once the download is completed, drag the folder to your desktop. Open the folder and you should see the following PDF files. Note they're separated by the country's letters. Once the album has downloaded and has been added to your desktop, begin by opening your PDF Reader application. On my computer, I'm navigating to the application from the Start menu. Once my Reader app is open, I will navigate to the PDF files on my desktop and open the A country file. Note that the PDF Reader has identified the editable text sections by highlighting them in a light blue color. To edit the text, simply click in the blue area. Your PDF Reader may present a dialog box about saving the PDF, but for now, simply click Close. To remove the existing text, highlight the text and hit the Delete key. You can then begin typing anything you desire. The small square box designates where you will mount the stamp. Some folks like to add stamp catalog number under the stamp. This is optional. There is also a larger optional text box under each stamp if you'd like to describe the stamp you have chosen or add additional info such as catalog numbers or catalog values. You can also edit the two images on each page. Simply click on them and select the new image you would like to use. Note, the page will automatically scale your image to fit in the 300 by 200 pixel area. You may first need to adjust your image in a graphics application to prevent distortions. To save a file that you've changed, you have to use the Print to File option. You notice that the dialog box mentions you can't use a file save. So instead, what we'll do is make a change to the file. And when we've completed making all of our changes and we want to save, we'll use the Print to PDF option. We'll go to up to File, Print, and then change your printer to Microsoft Print to PDF, and then hit Print. You'll then be prompted for a location and file name. I'll select a file name and then click on Save, and it will now save your file. I'll open that file and note that your changes have been saved and you can no longer edit this file. If you'd like to build a completely new page, go to File and then select Blank from the list. And you'll see that there's a set of 6 pages. Each page has different layout, and you can see these here. Notice that you can change all the fields, including country name. So here we're changing the country, and we can change the country info. Then we'll change the stamp info. And note that you can also change the two images. Click on one of the images, navigate to a file on your computer, select it, and then repeat for the other image. And also notice that if you click anywhere on the page, that you can change the border of the page itself. You would then save the file as shown in the previous steps, and you have a completely customized page.